Ndumiriri iria iratumirwo nyumba-ini cia mohoro wae thirikari yugite ni itumite thigari kuri kaunti cia Baringo, West Pokot, Samburu, Elgeyo Marakwet, Turkana na Laikipia kuria ciiko cia njukaniriro citumukite na gucungirira ikuo cia andu na wici wa mahiu. Thigari cicitumĩtwo thutha wa tharĩkĩro iria irerĩkana yumanĩte na kweherio gwa thigari cia mũhũhio nĩcio KPR iria cikoragwo cinyitĩte itemi kũrĩ ũgitĩri wa mĩena ĩno iria aikari aingĩ makoragwo marĩ arĩithia a mahiũ.
The Ministry of Interior withdrew last week decided to disarm the NPRs without any consultations.
Sadly, no one else knew except the criminals and the bandits, because no sooner did they disarm the NPR than the bandits just descended on our people.
Ripoti kuma mwena wa Kerio Valley cirauga andu makiria ya 20 ni moragitwo na angi 900 ni metharite kuma mĩciĩ yao magĩtigĩra gũtharĩkĩrwo nĩ ekinaĩ.
And as we speak, we've lost over 20 lives. We've close to over 25 to 30 schools across the Kerio Valley region.
We have a very big problem in Laikipia West. They were attacked yesterday and the other day.
In Elgeyo Marakwet County, there was an attack 2 days ago. I'm told by our friends in Marsabit at the moment, there is a big problem there because of the NPR withdrawal. 4 lives were also lost.
Kurerĩkana andu 13 mwena wa Marsabit ni moragĩtwo kwa ihinda rĩa ciumia 2, andu 2 makiũragwo ũtukũ wa gũkĩa ũmũthĩ.
Hawa vijana wakiwa wanalala kama saa 7 ya usiku, na wale wamewaua walikuja na gari, hawajakuja na mguu, walikuja na gari mpaka pale tuko saa hii.
Watu wa Marsabit wanamalizwa kwa ajili ya siasa, kuna kitu kingine, na inajulikana waziwazi wenye kupanga hii maneno.
Kifo ya jana usiku haingetendeka sababu hii boma ilikuwa na KPR wawili kabla hizo bunduki hazikuwa zimeondolewa.
Atongoria a icigo iria igũmĩirwo nĩ njũkanĩrĩro ĩyo na wici wa mahiũ maretha mweke wa kunanĩra njũng'wa na President Uhuru Kenyatta nĩguo mamwĩre bata wa gũkorwo na thigari icio cia mũhũhio.
This thing is catastrophic. The biggest problem is that we have a minister and ministry who are specialists in boardroom decisions.
The National Police Service Act provides for establishment of an NPR to support the regular police.
And we are looking forward to meeting the president next week. But before that, we will be meeting as 11 counties to be able to take up one joint action on this matter.
Thigari ici cia mũhũhio cieheririo kiumia kĩhĩtũku. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo mũitĩrĩri wa Wangari.